Well, Quita, the bill survived a famous filibuster only to face years of litigation. Finally, a resolution could be near. While hundreds rallied in Washington, dozens watched in Austin as Texas controversial abortion restrictions passed under House Bill 2 get their day at the U.S. Supreme Court. The court is taking the measure of two major components. One requires all abortions to be performed at ambulatory surgical centers. They're subject to extensive regulations specifying everything from the widths of halls and doorways to ventilation and staffing. The other major component requires doctors get admitting privileges to a hospital within 30 miles. Since taking effect, more than half of the abortion clinics in Texas have closed, and all but 10 are in jeopardy.
We've been getting a 5- and 6-fold increase in the number of callers who are coming from more than 100 miles away to schedule an appointment.
Sarah Wheat with Planned Parenthood of Greater Texas argues renovations are often cost prohibitive, and some hospitals flat out won't deal with abortion providers.
It's the layer after layer, hoop after hoop that we have to meet that in many cases it's just simply not possible in many Texas communities.
While less than 1% of abortions result in complications, abortion opponents argue the rules are about safety. David Walls is with Texas Values.
It's certainly unfortunate to see that there are many abortion clinics that don't have a desire to meet basic health and safety standards.
Activists in Houston joined in hymns Wednesday.
We're here today praying that the United States Supreme Court upholds House Bill 2 that was passed by the will of the people of Texas.
Attorneys for the state admitted in federal court the law's intent is to reduce abortions, and the Supreme Court could decide whether states can pass regulations making legal abortions difficult to obtain. The death of conservative Justice Antonin Scalia means the court could tie, which would effectively leave the law in place. Audio of today's arguments should be out by Friday. A decision is expected this summer. Mark Wiggins, KVUE News.